guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bored and I have to go run a couple errands at the store, so I figured I would get ready. The little install slash makeup get ready with me video. Yeah, I'm gonna do that and just to put out a little quick video for you guys, just for you guys who have been interested. Also, all the beauty supply stores and everything is closed, so I had to do this install with no wig cap. But I mean, you feel me? I feel like it looked pretty, you know, like it looked pretty good. If you guys do like this makeup look and this hair, I mean, literally it's my everyday makeup look because I don't do anything different. Also, huge announcement, I finally did put out my lash line. I finally make the Instagram so you guys are able to place your orders through Instagram. I'm so happy to have all the packaging and everything ready to go for you guys. It will be tagged down below as well, but it is Mimi Lux Lashes. Some of the names have a little cute attachment to them because they have like either Japanese meanings. It's like a little bit of a personal connection since I'm Japanese, so I want to have a personal touch in there as well. It comes like this box, like this little water marble pink case, and then when you open it, this is one of the styles. It's also magnetic, by the way, so you know what I'm saying, it'll stay closed. This is one of the styles on the inside. This one is called kawaii, which means cute or like adorable, whatever in Japanese. Instagram for these will be listed down below as well. And also if you want to, which I do because I absolutely hate losing my eyelashes, or like when I travel they get stuck or like to each other or crushed up, so you could take out this little, you know, this case right here once it's done, and then this is a reusable, for me, a reusable case, so you guys won't have to lose or, you know what I'm saying, crush up your lashes or whatever the case may be if you're traveling or whatever. So that actually has come in handy for me, especially because I do alternate lashes very often. I'm so dumb, by the way, I'm wearing the style Mimi. These are my signature lashes, I guess. These are the ones I wear all the time. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. Like I said, you guys can place your orders through DM on Instagram for 100% mink lashes. Some little items on the inside of the bag as well when it comes. So yeah, something really new for me. So this is a project that I've really been trying to get done since like last year, a while ago last year, but I just never got it done. This is the beginning and we can only go up from here. So if you guys would like to support me or place an order or whatever the case may be, just follow, whatever the case may be, I appreciate that. I'll put the Instagram right here for you guys. So yeah, I'm rambling on too much, but if you guys like to see my everyday makeup routine as well as me install this wig, then you guys just keep on watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at _HIT0MI___. Okay, let's get into the video. What's good, you guys? So I'm back with another video. Today we about to install this wig. Excuse how crusty I'm looking. Also, all the beauty supply stores are closed. Ain't no wig cap in my crib, so we gonna have to make it work with what we got. Also, my hair is not braided down. Your girl does not know how to cornrow, so we making it work right now, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so first I'm going to take some bronzing powder or foundation powder, whichever one, tint the inside of the lace, especially the part where I'm going to be laying it, especially because I have no wig cap. And then I'm going to pin my hair up. I just pin my twisties up usually, and then just kind of like, well, normally I'd have the wig cap, but hook it around the back of my hair in this case. And then I pull it to the front, you know, make sure it's in line with my ears. And then I don't like using glue on my forehead because it be snatching on my hair and I don't have time for that. So I use the Got To Be spray, and I spray a little bit of that thin layer. I take off my wig on a daily basis, so I don't really try to make it that permanent because I don't know, I just can't sleep with that thing on my head. So yeah, I'm gonna put a thin layer of that and then just blow dry it using the comb, the end of a rat tail comb, to like help adhere it to my head. It just makes the process way easier, girl. Make sure you get yourself a little rat tail comb. Okay, now I'm just gonna continue that process on the side of my ear as well, and basically just do the sideburns and all that. Make sure everything is as secure as possible. The flatter the lace lays, the more natural it's gonna look. So like, you know, my goal is just to keep laying it with the spray. I feel like I have more control and can work with it better, just me personally, because I'm not, you know, a hairstylist. So yeah, also I did a little bit of this wig on a mannequin head, so it was a little bit like with the hot comb and stuff because I'm not putting that thing on my head. But yeah, so that's all I'm doing right now.
I know bitches get caught up in their ways, but I'm wrong, baby, don't feel no type of way. If I call you on your phone, it's you gon' answer right away. If I call you, baby, answer just to let me know it's straight.
Alright, so now I'm just taking out some of the baby hairs. I'm gonna take this little this eyebrow razor is dull as hell, so definitely get you a new eyebrow razor. But I'm just gonna use this one. Sometimes I use scissors. I mean, I don't know, it just depends on how I'm feeling. But yeah, I'm gonna use that, just trim some of the little hairs down. Every time I wear a wig, like again, I have to adjust the baby hairs because you know sometimes it's just, I don't know, sometimes it just don't be laying exactly the same, so you feel me. But yeah, so I do that and then take a little bit of this foam, this like what is this, I think it's like supposed to be wrapping foam for like your hair, but whatever, we gonna use it like mousse right now because I don't have mousse. So I'm using that to just lightly do my edges. I don't like having hard crunchy edges, so we just gonna do that. I let them dry down a little bit and then I take a little comb and lift them up. So I don't know if I showed that part, but I'll do that probably at some point later on. Yeah, so now I'm about to just do the sideburns, and we about to go on to the makeup. So now I'm taking this Ebin New York eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brunette or ebony, I think is one of the other. But I just use a little bit of that. Your girl's eyebrows are filled in, so you feel me, or filled in, I meant to say growing in. So yeah, I don't really have to do that much work anymore. And then I just take their eyebrow pencil and then just kind of like do the front. So here I'm taking some concealer. This is my LA Pro Girl concealer. I think I actually just grabbed the light one. That's why I rolled my eyes. I was supposed to grab the darker one, but it's whatever. I'm just gonna do that using a little angled brush. And just clean up my eyebrows, top, bottom. Y'all know the drill. But I took over rapping like a plane. I got money and stacked it up, kept it humble, I'm the same. And I know what you gonna do before you do it. Got my eyes closed, dripping hard when I'm stepping on fly wherever I go. 550, I'm skirting through, I'm ducking from the potholes. 750, I try to fit it, I took out the lot. I know bitches get caught up in their ways, but I'm wrong, baby, don't feel no type of way. Alright, so now I'm taking this stippling concealer brush, and I'm just gonna blend out my concealer into my eyes. That just, you know, it's just part of what's gonna cover my eye, and then the foundation. I don't really like put a separate anything. I don't like separate concealer or separate foundation on my eye. Just blend whatever I have going on from my eyebrows down and whatever's going on from my highlight up. But yeah, anyways, now we're about to use the Rich Caramel foundation from Black Opal. You know your girl do the drugstore thing, so got that. And then I'm just using this I believe it's like a Wet and Wild, like some random, one of those random stippling brushes, but it worked really good. Then we're going to use the Tanner Pro Girl concealer in the color Fawn, I believe. And I'm going to take this beauty sponge. It's a Real Technique sponge. This thing's dirty as heck. Don't, you know what I'm saying? Don't come for me. Your girl got lazy and I didn't wash it before I used it this time, so sorry. But yeah, I did that. Blended all that in for me, and then I'm going to use my Airspun Coty setting powder in translucent to set my face. I don't bake my face. I just press in the powder. It just lays way better for me. When I bake, it just gets all patchy and crap when I take it off, and I'll be feeling that, you know. That's not the move. So yeah, now I'm gonna take my this is actually an eyeshadow palette. Fun fact, it's also from Ebin New York. I think it's the Egyptian hold on, I'm gonna tag it down below, but I'm gonna tag, oh, you know what, I'm not gonna tag it because I don't even know what the website, like, I'm gonna just put it in the comments below. Okay, boom. So yeah, we're gonna use that, and I'm gonna just I don't really contour my nose, but we just kind of add some warmth and like bring the shape back in because the powder kind of like undefines, is that a word? Whatever. Anyways, undefines my face, and then I just take that same bronzing powder and go around the perimeters of my face. I don't do my jawline just because it doesn't look right on me. I don't know, it just looks weird. Then I take a little bit of blush, you know, blush it up, make it cute, add some highlight. I do all the blush and the highlight on a stippling brush. Girl, just trust me, it did wonders for me. So yeah, I do that, and then I take the Airspun powder on a eyeshadow brush. It's like a fluffy large eyeshadow brush, but I just use that to make a little line underneath my jawline just to like clean that up. And then I use my liquid highlight before. This one is from NYX. It's Illuminator. And then I use the Wet n Wild. I forget what this is. Y'all be asking me. I forget, girl. The top broke off, so I don't even know. But yeah, I use that highlight. And then I'll just take this little... actually, it's a big stippling brush, and I kind of pinch it together just to like get all the product in, and I kind of press all the powders in, and that kind of knocks away the excess, I guess. I'm just gonna go over my brows real quick. This brow brush has like nothing on it. I'm literally just you know, dragging the product further, and then I'm gonna take a... what is this? Girl, hurry up, what you doing? Oh yeah, okay, so I'm gonna take some mascara. This one's waterproof, and I take it on this dead eyeliner pen. It makes a perfect little dot. Boom, boom, put it there. That's done for me. Sometimes I use face paint, just depends on what I feel like doing, but that like smudges, so you gotta set that with eyeshadow. Anyways, boom, now we go into the eyeliner. I'm gonna use this jumbo eyeliner from NYX, I think, to do my wing. Feel me? I do the bottom, then connect it to the top, and then I just kind of like work from each side, I guess, until it gets even in the same length and what I want. So yeah. And here's where we go from looking cute to a baddie. These are the style Mimi from Mimi Luxe Lashes. Like I said, you guys can place your orders through Instagram. Link in my description. Now I'm taking some Eco Styler gel on the back of this spoolie brush, and I'm just gonna run that through my eyebrow hairs just to make sure they're set in place and don't move all day. I'm gonna use some waterproof mascara from Maybelline, and then I'm gonna take actually, matter of fact, I'm gonna line my lips first. I don't line the whole lip. I don't know, it just depends on how I'm feeling. Usually I just do the little cupid's bow area. Sometimes it just depends on if I want to have the little dip in my cupid's bow or not that day, I guess. So yeah, that's all I do there. Then I add a little bit of face spray from Mario Badescu. This is the rose water one. I can't use other setting sprays because they be breaking me out sometimes, so I just rather not. But yeah, that's really about all. Like I said, I really do not do a different makeup look any day. It's usually the same thing. I'm about to just put on some Aquaphor lip gloss and call it a day. No special lip or anything. So, I mean, just let me know if you guys do want to see me do a creative eyeshadow look or something one day. Maybe I'll try something different for y'all. But yeah, that's really about all. And I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Bye. Alright, you guys, so I hope you did enjoy this video. I think it turned out pretty good, especially granted the fact that I didn't do this properly. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. I definitely do put out a lot of fire little projects and stuff, and if you don't see me on YouTube, I'm definitely on IG, so you guys can keep up with me on there. I try to respond to some of y'all and stuff like that, so definitely check up on those if y'all don't see me on here. Make sure y'all go and like and comment on this video. This is my new recent project. I really love how it came out. Also, go follow the lash Instagram at Mimi Luxe Lashes. You guys, like I said, can place your orders through DM on there. Really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Oh, hold on. Hold on, wait a minute. A bitch look good as